Step 2. Prioritization. Every product backlog item, or PBI, is prioritized based on its business value. The product owner makes a comparison between items on the backlog to determine their relative priority. Doing this sometimes tends to cause the PO to think about each item's size, business value, and any associated risk. However, the value of the item to the business is really the key focus here. A business value figure is often used to carry this out. For example, a number from 1 to 100 can be used, where 1 is the lowest value and 100 is the highest. The scale is not important. The backlog item's order of priority descends as we progress through the backlog. At the top are high priority items, and near the bottom are the lower priority items. When choosing work for the impending sprint, the Scrum team picks from the highest priority items so that they complete the most important items first. Ensure the top backlog items are ready, feasible, clear, and testable to allow the team in turning the items into a product increment and facilitate a realistic commitment. Since product backlog items are of different sizes, the small ones can be easily completed in one sprint. However, the big ones can leave the team unsure of what's involved or their implementation period. The good thing is that as items move closer to the backlog's top, the team makes them smaller and more streamlined to make everyone understand the work to be addressed in upcoming sprints. Similar to estimation, prioritizing the first product backlog could be quite overwhelming. One may be confused on how to ensure competing stakeholder demands are well balanced, bearing in mind the end product, costs, and risks. Fortunately, there are many techniques to make the work easier, which include relative weighting and innovation games. No matter what prioritization technique you prefer, ensure to order the work so that the team builds features that bring the most value to the business, the customers, and the stakeholders. Failure to prioritize your work increases the risk of delivering incomplete user stories as schedules and resources change, and even lower priority user stories rather than higher ones. Here is a summary of what we've learned in this step. In summary, for Step 2, prioritize the backlog as epics based on each item's business value and balanced against risks. Put high priority items at or near the top and lower priority items at or near the bottom of the product backlog. And keep your backlog items focused and as concise as possible. Eliminate features clouding your product.